In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Sign. We'll walk through every essential step to get your documents signed swiftly and securely. So, whether you're new to Adobe Sign or just need a quick refresher, stay tuned as we break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. The most popular choices tend to be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or perhaps Safari if you're on a Mac. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search bar and simply type in Adobe Sign. This will lead you to the Adobe Sign webpage, which is where the magic really starts. Once you've arrived at the Adobe Sign page, it's time to log in. Use your existing Adobe ID and password to get in, or if you're completely new, there's an option to create an account. It's a fairly straightforward process and absolutely essential to securely manage your documents. Next, you'll want to upload the document that you need signed. This is as simple as clicking on the Send or Upload button. Adobe Sign handles a variety of file formats, whether you're working with a Word document, a PDF, or something similar. Drag and drop your file, or select it directly from your computer, and it will be uploaded to Adobe Sign's interface. Now, with your document uploaded, the next step is to enter the email addresses of those who need to provide their signatures. Be diligent here, inputting each email address correctly, since this ensures the document reaches the right people without a hitch. You'll typically find a designated area on the page to input these addresses. Following this, it's time to add form fields for the signer's details. The interface allows you to easily add fields for signatures, initials, dates, and other pertinent information. Simply click and drag the required fields to the right spots on your document. This step is crucial as it outlines exactly what information or action you are expecting from each recipient. Next up is specifying whether these fields are required or read only for your recipients. This is done with the purpose of guiding each signer on what's mandatory for them to fill out and what's not. Making fields required ensures no crucial information is missed, while read-only fields can be used for reference or information that shouldn't be altered. When everything's set up just right, Adobe Sign will work its part by sending out an email to each of the listed recipients. In this email, recipients will receive a clear, concise link that directs them to the document where they can review and sign. This process ensures a seamless experience for everyone involved and keeps the document workflow efficient and trackable. And that's it. You've learned how to effectively use Adobe Sign to get your documents signed and sealed. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you have a seamless experience with Adobe Sign.